Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Twilio for SMS alerts workflow automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Twilio website. If you don't already have an account, click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once your account is created, log in using your credentials. After logging in, go to the Twilio console dashboard. Locate the Get a Number button and click it. Choose a phone number that supports SMS capabilities. Follow the prompts to purchase the number. Once you have your number, navigate to the messaging section in the console. Click on Settings to configure your messaging options. Set up a webhook URL where you want to receive incoming messages. Create a new application for your SMS alerts workflow. In the application settings, enter the name of your workflow. Define the parameters for your alerts within the application. Next, set up the integration with your desired automation tool. Follow the specific instructions for the automation tool you are using. Make sure to test the integration to ensure it works as intended. Return to the messaging section and set up TWIML for your application. This will allow you to customize the message responses for your alerts. Once everything is set up, engage with the application to trigger SMS alerts. Monitor the Twilio console for incoming messages and logs. Make any necessary adjustments to your workflow based on your testing. Finalize your setup by ensuring all configurations are saved. Your SMS alerts workflow through Twilio is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.